Yan, mga bata. Ang dami mga bata nag-i-ski. Super galing. Amazing talaga yung mga bata dito. Kahit maliit lang sila, marunong sila mag-ski. Compare sa akin, hindi ako marunong. Basic lang ang alam ko, konti lang. Yan guys. So madami tayong i-upload na video mamaya kasi maganda yung place kung saan tayo nagbi-video. Ayan, pababa na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa baba. Super nice talaga. Wow. Amazing. Dito tayo sa side. Yung mga tao doon nag-i-ski. Maliit lang tignan. So guys, ang weather ngayon is mainit. Ayan yung mga tao sa taas. And super nice. Ayun, kahit mainit, go pa rin, laban. Nandito tayo sa mountain. Guys, super init. Na ano na, nagsusweat na tayo sa likod. Ayan, mega shoutout kay Reha Babubakar. Tignan ninyo, Reb, sayang wala kayo dito. Dito nga sana maganda. Pasyalan. Ayan, nagsonte siya. Ayan. Yan, perfect talaga yung weather. Perfect. Plus, ang mga tao nag-i-ski is magagaling. Galing mo, girl. Bakit ba ang gagaling nila? Gusto ko maging magaling mag-ski. Ah. Wow! So fast! He's very fast! Yan. Ito tayo nag-feel. Ayan, makikita natin dito yung buong mountain. So hanggang film lang tayo guys kasi hindi tayo marunong mag-ski. Ayan. Ang ganda, super nice. Yan, against the light dito. Tingnan niyo yung lift. Doon tayo kanina sa baba. Yan. Ayan yung sa likod ko. Ano siya. Pahinga. Super nice talaga yung view dito. And film Max Bibi.
Voilà.
Bibi and Max. Zaira Beatrice.
Ouais, ça tu l'as déjà dit.
Babs. Elodie.
Et spécialement,
Raymond.
après, il y a
Pep Pak and Bibi, my nephews and my niece, Patapus, Raymond, Bebs, END Forever. END Forever is a...
And then you can show if you want what you have on.
No, I don't want to take it off.
No.
Okay, guys.
Ok, c'est bon? Ok. C'est bon.
C'est quoi ça?
C'est pas lire.
Ina and Papang. Ina and Papang. And then I will take a picture of Ina and Papang.
Voilà.
Ina and Papang. Yes. Put heart in the middle. Love you, Ina. Okay, picture.
Picture.
Okay. So, mega shoutout kay JR Senda, takia dito you shoutout, and takia dito yung name na Snow. Takikitaaran na Switzerland. Hakilang sena. Hakilang sena. Na... Pasaste talama. Look here by the mountain. So, mega shoutout kay JR Senda. Kay Anu, mega shout out. And then you go.
Two.
So ayun. Natapos na yung ano natin. So, tignan niyo guys. Gaano kaganda sa baba. So, mega shout out. Yes, mega shout out kay Maisy Chen. Okay, meron tayong place kung saan isulat ang name niya. Dito natin isulat. So, mega shout out kay Maisy Chen / My. Yes, takia dito yung name na Snow. Maisy Chen. Maisy Chen. Okay, Yamay. Yan na, May. Mega shoutout sa'yo. Say, May. Hello, May.
My.
Yes, it's the best friend of Jovelyn.
Ah oui, ça s'appelle jamais aussi.
Oui. So guys, bababa na tayo. Yang, JM, mega shoutout to my brother and to my sister-in-law, JM and Yang, JM love Yang. Yan. Katuray JM and Yang, JM love Yang.
On y va maintenant.
Oui. Voilà. Doya, love Potoy forever. Ay. Nako guys, sobrang init. Yun, ang daming tao nag-i-ski doon. Hello to Bibi and Toto and Tutu, Ian. Shoutout sa aking pamangkin na si Ian Bercasio Torda and kay Bibi Zanara Bercasio Torda, not Torda, Sebastian. And kay Jonaline, kay Jorik, kay Jobelin, kay Potoy, shoutout, makam kamemon. No?
You have to run first, Banan.
No?
You have to run first. You have to run first. Ça marche pas. Junior, you don't know how to do it. You didn't watch the woman, it's not working. You have to run first and then you go on your butt. Okay?
No, it's not working.
It was working for other people.
Yeah.
If I need to show you how to do it, here you can do it. No, you have to run and then you go down.
So nice.
Want to try it again?
No.
Like that, it's good they're all after people.
Di ba? Yan, mga bata, madami mga bata nag-i-ski, ang gagaling. Tayo hindi tayo magaling, hindi tayo marunong, nakakaselos. Why you don't want to do it?
Because I don't want to get a wet butt.
So it's me, it's okay for you.
You wanted to do it, so it's okay. You know.
So nice. Ang gagaling. Ang galing. Super amazing. Magaling talaga sila. Ayan. What are you doing?
Construction, see? Need glue.
Wow, wow, this one is very good.
C'est froid. Too warm, do like this.
Ah, look, the small boy.
Bah, il est pas si petit que ça. Hein.
A small girl, not a small boy. Very good.
They're not that small.
No, they're small. You'll do again the slide.
Has a big
Oh no. He's doing well. He's doing well.
You want to do it?
No, it's okay because I don't have a nice jacket and then no.
You have a very good jacket. You don't know how to do it. You have a professional.
So bababa na tayo. Super enjoy. Tapos nagla-live tayo guys. Kasi may signal tayo dito. I saw you! Hello Doya and Potoy! Doya and Potoy. Doya, Potoy, Toto. Yan. Shoutout sa aking sister na si Jovelyn aka Doya and kay Ain, Potoy aka Potoy and Toto aka Ian. Shoutout sa inyo. Doya, Potoy, Kitanda. Yan. So, ayun.
Le pipi, c'est le sien là. Hein? Petit cochon.
They're very good. Wow. Wow. All I can say is wow. They're very, very good in skiing. Wow. Wow. So, super galing nila, grabe. Nakaka-amaze lang talaga. Ah, it's different this one. They are lifting up.
Oui, c'est pas pour nous. On va aller ici. Semaine prochaine, c'est le nouveau cage.
Ah, look,
Oui, on va aller voir le petit lac. On va passer devant.
yes, I'm just here.